Hello everyone, welcome to ABAP 2024 series. So previously we have discussed how to declare data variables, how to assign values to those variables, and how to do arithmetic operations. And today we are going to discuss about some basic condition statements in ABAP. Okay, so what is a condition statement? So we will be using the same program. Okay, so what is a condition statement? So in programming, if a certain condition met, then we can change the output accordingly based on the conditions. Okay, so for example, if statements, if else if statement, case statements, okay, like that. So let's see condition statements. Okay? So if LV num2 greater than LV num1, and if okay, right, greater than num1. Okay, so here in the right statement I am not passing any variables. Okay, I am just passing a literal value which is saying this num2 variable is greater than num1. Okay, save this one, check and activate. So let's not comment. Okay, so before that, right, I just want to see okay, so this is how you format your output. Okay, value v1 equal to comma lv num1 and space lv num2 equal to okay. So first you will see this line, then underneath you will see the values of lv num1 and lv num2, and then you will see which one is greater. Okay, so now check, activate and execute. Okay, so this is the line lv num1 equal to 10, lv num2 equal to 5. Okay, so lv num2 is greater than equal to lv num1? No, right? Hence this right statement is not executed. Okay, so if I make this as 1 greater than equal to 2, then save, check, activate, execute, you can see lv num2 is greater than equal to lv num1. Okay, now let's put else statement. Else, right, lv num2 smaller than lv num1. Okay, so if LV num2 is greater than LV num1, then LV num2 is greater than LV num1. If LV num2 is else LV num2 is smaller than LV num1. Now save this one, check, activate and execute. Then you will see how the if statement flows. Okay, execute. So you can see it goes to the else part where it is written LV num2 is smaller than LV num1, right? This has the value 5, this has the value 10, so that is why it's there, right? So now, okay, so this is this. Okay, so now else if LV num1 greater than LV num2. So this is not if else statements anymore, it is if else if statement. Okay, so if this condition satisfies, then this, if this condition satisfies, then this. Okay, LV num1 is okay, okay, so now save, check, activate, execute. So you can see LV num1 is greater than LV num2 because this statement being satisfied and this statement, this condition was not met. This condition met, hence it went to the LV num1 greater than LV num2. Okay, so in this conditions you can use expressions as well. Okay, so how that is? So Control C. So I am commenting those, so in later you can use this program. Okay, so now how you put a condition onto it. Okay, if okay, so this is just to set how you pass expressions in if statement. Okay, also condition value equal to 0. Okay, so now save this, check, activate and see else if condition met with value greater than 0. So this is how you pass. So in the previous one we see the LV result. When you do the subtraction, result from LV num2 LV num1, num2 minus LV num1. Okay, so activate it and execute. So you can see subtraction result for LV num2 minus LV num1 is -5. Okay, in our else conditions we have passed this absolute functions with LV num2 and LV num1. So absolute value of -5 is 5, which is greater than equal to 0, hence it is coming to this output. Okay, now you understood how you pass expressions inside if statement, right? So now this if statement is done. Okay, next is, so this is one of the condition statement, if condition statement. Now next condition statement is the case statement. Okay, now case. Okay, so the case statement must end with end case. Okay, and there should be one statement with when. Okay, so now case LV underscore result. Okay, now if the result is, okay, you now coming to case statements. Okay, so the case statements must always end with end case, and inside this there must be at least one when statement. Okay, so how you use this case statement? Okay, so let's say there are 10 students. Okay, and if the age of those students is less than 10, then we can call them kids. If it is more than 10, we call it as teens. Okay, if it is more than 20, we call it as adults. Okay, so here v underscore age. Now let's pass this, right? And when this LV is less than 10, oh, this is a wrong statement. Okay, this is a wrong example, so you cannot assign like that. Okay, so you need to, so I am finding it difficult to get an example case. Okay, let's say data, okay, LV gender type C. Okay, so here I am passing this gender. Okay, when the value is M, when the value is F, and when others. Okay, so when the value is m, right, okay, gender is male. Okay, when it is f, then gender is female, and when others, you can say gender is not disclosed. Okay, so now save this one, but before that you have to assign this LG gender a value. Okay, let's assign m. Okay, now see what is the output using this case statement. Execute. So gender is male. Okay, now assign this f, activate, execute, gender is female. Now I am not assigning anything to it. Okay, see what is the output. Gender is not disclosed. Let's give it something, okay, which is not m or f. Let's pass it as b. Okay, now since save, check, activate, then execute. See, gender is not disclosed. That means whenever it is m, then male. Whenever it is f, then female. When it is not m and not f, then gender is not disclosed. Okay, so now you understood the case statements, right? So in today's session we have covered the condition statements in ABAP. Okay, so if you have any doubts, then please reach out to us. So see you all in the next session. Bye.